What's up, guys? Welcome back. Patreon request from Emmanuel the Mighty Chewy from Astro. There's a new one, is there? So Emmanuel sent me a message, asked me to draw this guy again. I think I drew him before, like with hands and stuff. I think this one's like a different color maybe. And let's try this. Landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. So big angry monkey eyes. So go. So he's kind of frowning, right? So center point of my page here, we'll come up over to the right and we will tick a line. And this is like the top of his eye, right? But it's kind of like his frown as well. And this will go around, like where his eyeball is, and then up into the corner. Like so. So his iris small, just sort of here. And a pupil in the middle. Go over and do the same thing just over here. We're going to tick this line that way again, and then swoop it around. Into the corner. And then pupil, just sort of same sort of level. Well, iris, sorry, and pupil in the middle. So he kind of has a visor around his eyes and then a bumpy nose. So this frown sort of, we'll do the bumpy nose, frown thing goes a bit longer. And then it curves, connects sort of the eyes together there. And then it has a couple more little sort of bumpy sections coming down. His nose. And a final one that seems to connect with the bottom part there. And he seems to have like bags under his eyes and stuff. Some eyelid lines. So then this black thing around the eyes here. It's like a piece of his skin or something. So it's like curvy kind of visor area. It's all sort of black in there. So he then has like a real big mouth, right? So like it's really big, right? So there's two kind of levels. So you do like a curve up and down. And it kind of touches his nose. Right, and then there's like teeth along here. So say this is the top part. So it goes like down and around the teeth. This sort of jaggedy teeth line. Okay. His nostrils are in here, so he's got these like black holes kind of on the inside. These little sort of skin lines around them. Kind of looks like a number 6 or something. And maybe like some skin bumps just to make them look a bit bigger. Like so. And his bottom jaw like so. And then I think like his lip comes along here. So these are like white teeth. I think in the older version they were black. And this is like slightly sort of textured, you know, it's like gorilla skin. So there's like two parts to his head, right? So there's like a furry little part that sticks out here. Well, it's all furry, but like you just add these little sort of spikes to make it look like hair. And then it looks like his mouth is like held on by a piece of metal. And same over here. And then his head comes around up to like that sort of spiky part of his hair. So say like the spiky part will start here. You get like these zigzags going either way. And then his head comes around to this round part as well. You just spike, furry sort of hair spikes. And we join these together. And then we'll go the other side. Just like, you know, put fur textures on these if you wanted, of course, as well. And then he has that big spiky head of hair, right? So goes up and down. Right, and there might be some in behind here as well. And these are all sort of textured and lines on them like that. I think he's wearing headphones. Yes. So we go out pretty straight, and then it curves down and just disappears into this furry area. Do the same thing on this side. Same level sort of in there. And then there's like this edge sort of part here. And grey lined metal here. It looks like his blue little lights or something on the side. And I think we can see the strap or the headband just here. Not on that side though. It would make more sense if we saw both sides. So I'm going to add, maybe it was a glitch in the game or something. I'm going to add that on that side. So Emmanuel asked me for just like the head and shoulders. So you can see like neck, what looks like neck anyway, going this way. Right, and then like lined sort of robot neck. And his chest, I think, just goes this way. Can't see it though because we've got that platform there. And then furry sort of shoulder starting sort of going around like a big circle, right? Like real big gorilla shoulders, just sort of hairy, coming down that way and then around. And then his like tricep goes off there and his bicep goes down that way. And these can be like furry, you know, textured sort of hairy lines. And he's got, looks like something here. So I'm not sure, it's like a line here. And then like some circles. And then maybe some of these things here. Maybe we'll do a big shoulder then. And then like chest and the circle. And then these sorts of like lines. Oh yeah, and bicep as well, but I'll get this. And then his bicep. Just going that way, and then tricep here. And then like textures and stuff on his shoulder, just to show it's kind of furry. Like so. If you want, of course, you could do the square platform. So it's just like a straight line and then it goes that way. But Emmanuel asked me to just do head and shoulders. So, I think that's it. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you next one. Bye.